Guys, people are going through a lot. People are going through a lot. When it comes to Umini Dlamini, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. When it comes to Umini Dlamini has been through a lot, but still has to maintain a respect. If ever this person took a picture, yena angafuni. So many celebrities are complaining about that. Ukuthi a fan can come up to you and take your picture without asking. Okay, fine. You should have stood up and said, "Can you please ask?" Not fight. Because you know very well, Oguti, you have a presentation to maintain. We present her, but you're out here fighting your fans. No, she stooped so low, but also I understand her. Early this year, Umini Lamini was in a relationship with O'Brien, Dr. Brian, and njengoba relationship with Dr. Brian, Umeji went on a podcast yakhe and talked about Umini and hygiene and all.
I sell my body for money. Everything I have is because I'm a prostitute. I've slipped my way to the top. It's incredibly disturbing.
So you understand ukuthi umuntu uye eklabhini just to enjoy themselves akhohlwe ngezinto zangaphandle, and then you come up and then you take them a picture. Obviously not knowing what's going on in their mind. Uphumile nabangani bakhe, they are out here drinking, and you come up uyeza uthatha isithombe, and then she starts standing up wanting to beat you or wanting to take that phone and delete that photo because she's intoxicated, and also she's trying to have fun and forget about her problems. And I think she saw maybe she was too drunk, or maybe she was not in her good space, and then wabona umthathe isithombe and she thought ish ngizotrenda, and ngizotrenda while I'm not looking good or while I'm intoxicated, and then people, and either way she trended, which she trended for wrong reasons. Ukuthi bekalwisa ifeni. But either way, really what trend. Let us just hope next time I'm a fan, when I'm a celebrity, they'll just go up to them and then tell them, hey, can I please take a photo? Not just baba shoot the unknown, because there are safety reasons. Ungacabanga ukuthi mhlambe there's someone okufollowayo while you're a celebrity, you don't know how safe you are, and then a person comes up and take you a picture without talking to you. And I'm a celebrity now, should respect my fans. Wow, because it's not nice being turned down, mawucela isithombe or whatever. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?